So I've been working on this Transporter T6.1 with us today. Customers come to us, wanted a full discreet install of the latest generation BlackVue dash camera, as well as beefing up the security on this vehicle. So we've added a few things for him this afternoon. On these particular converted T6s, obviously it's not a simple job trying to route through all the cabling, because obviously somebody else has been there before, fitted things, covered over the normal route of what we would do. But here at TTW we always like a challenge, so I'll just show you what we've managed to achieve on this particular vehicle. So as you can see, we've got no wires at all. You've got your main camera, which is just sat here. Obviously, if you look inside, there's certainly no dangling wires anywhere to be seen on this particular vehicle. We've managed to hide every single cable within there, getting to the front, and I'll just show you around in the front area. And that's the main camera there. We fitted it in the sort of shaded area, so from the outside you just see part of the camera looking down. Obviously that's there. We fitted the battery pack underneath the driver's seat as well, which keeps it still accessible, but it just means that it's out of the way. So as you can see on this one, it's very nice, and the cat's in the video as well. So yes, if you've got a VW Transporter and you want a very discreet camera installation, as well as obviously beefing up the security that we've done on this with the Autowatch Ghost 2 Pro, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations.